Not every spiritual path leads to life. Sometimes we get lost not because we've stopped listening, but because we're listening to the wrong things. We mistake human tradition for God's truth. Jesus warned about this when he said in Mark 7:13, "People cancel the word of God for the sake of their traditions." Welcome to Day 9 of Faith Foundations. Today, we're using our listening ear to identify the true path and separate what is eternal from what is just traditional. Tradition is often how we've always done it. Truth is what God has said. Tradition can be beautiful, but it doesn't have the power to save you or give you sight. Only the Word of Christ can do that. When your ear gives sight, you start to realize that some of the burdens you've been carrying aren't from God. They're just rules people made up. Identifying the path means asking, is this a lamp to my feet because God lit it? Or is this just a flashlight a human handed me? Real faith is built on the rock of the Word, not the shifting sands of the way things have always been. Your Day 9 challenge is the Back to the Book test. Take a spiritual belief you hold or a religious rule you've been following and ask, where is this in the Word of Christ? If it's not there, it might just be tradition. If it is there, let it be your guide. When you clear away the clutter of tradition, the path of truth becomes much easier to walk. Faith grows when it's rooted in truth. Tomorrow, we're going to witness the most exciting part of this journey, spiritual vision. That moment when hearing finally becomes seeing. I'm Matthew Padiachi, and this is Faith by Hearing. Keep your ears open for the truth, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Not every road that's paved is the one you're meant to take. Are you following the Father, or just following the crowd? It's Day 9. Let's get back to the book. Sometimes we get lost in the middle of the day, not because we stopped listening, but we looked the other way. We mistook the shadows for the solid ground, listened to the echoes and the traditional sound. Jesus gave a warning, clear and sharp and true. Don't let human rules cancel what the Word can do for you. Identifying the path, knowing truth from the place, separating the eternal from the way we've always stayed. Is it a lamp to your feet because God lit the flame, or just a human flashlight that's calling out His name? The ear gives sides of tradition start to crumble and stop. Tradition is a story of how things used to be, but truth is the power that can set a captive free. It might look beautiful, it might feel like home, but it can't give you sight or a place on the throne. Those burdens that you're carrying, heavy on your back, are they rules from a man or the things that you lack? Clear away the clutter, let the word heard ring, and follow the narrow path of the King of Kings. It's the back to the book test, the trial of the soul. Is it written in the Word? Let the truth take control. If it's not in the message, then let the habit go. If it's rooted in the Christ, then let the faith grow. Oh, don't build on the sand of it's always been this way. Build on the rock that'll never decay. So here's the Day 9 challenge. Put your heart to the test. Take a religious rule and put it to the rest. Ask, where is this written? Is it in the Word of Christ? Or is it just a ritual that's demanding a price? When you find the truth, the walk becomes light, and the path opens up in the middle of the night. Rooted in the truth, that's where the growth begins. Tilling up the tradition till the true light wins. Thanks for being here. Faith by Hearing.